Hey all you voiceover people out there, Nicholas Andrew Louie here to act as your personal genie for today.
You wish you had a place to learn about VO and be entertained while doing so? Well, that's quite a wish.
Luckily, we have just the site for you. VO Buzz Weekly is your fill for all things voiceover. Every week, Chuck and Stacey bring you informative and engaging interviews with some of your favorite voice actors and more. It'll make you inquire,
Desire,
and inspired with all the interesting perspectives and advice from your favorite voices behind the mic.
So what are you waiting for? Come on! Get over there, subscribe, and remember, you always have time for a little buzz.